To teach.
Teach, taught, taught.
Teach means to give knowledge as to how to do something.
This woman is teaching her daughter how to ski.
She has been teaching her for more than 6 hours.
She taught something and is testing what she taught.
This boy didn't understand what she taught yesterday.
She sometimes teaches outside, but she usually teaches inside.
This girl is teaching her little sister how to use a computer.
She's a wonderful sister and teaches her every day.
He teaches English out of context and uses a lot of blah blah blah.
She tells him to teach in context.
She's going to teach him how to teach in context.
She told him that he must change the way he teaches.
Students understand her because she teaches in context.
She has taught in context since she began teaching English. Even when she uses a board, she teaches in context.
The way I teach is really boring.
The way I teach is very interesting.
Now she's teaching me how to teach in context.